So it is currently 6:07 in the morning. Nick has been sleeping in his backyard in the tent. Dude.
Oh shit, it's just you. Oh.
Why the fuck are you sleeping? Have you been... How long have you been... What the fuck is that? How long have you been here?
It's my third night.
Come on, let's go to the gym.
Yeah, be one with nature.
Fucking tomahawk. Come on, let's go to the gym. Okay, so it's like 6:22. Nick's over there cooking. No, Nick, right now it's like 6:22. Nick's cooking up some, well, making some avocado bread.
Toast.
It's pretty empty at the gym, so we decided to go early today. Let's get this day started. Chest day today.
Hey, do you remember back in the day when you had white Apple earphones? You were the shit. You were the popular kid.
Well, yeah, and then now they're just like, fuck. No, you were the cool kid if like you had a broken iPhone. Like everybody had a broken iPhone, and like I thought it was the most dumbest thing, but it was true. Either you had like a broken Apple. It was weird.
There's always like a story behind it.
Yeah.
I took my case off because I was like, oh, I don't need a case anymore. I can take care of my phone. And I was walking the halls at school, or actually the auditorium, because we were practicing for something. And the assistant principal was all like, oh, hey, what's up, Nick? And I went to shake his hand, so I thought I'd put my phone in my pocket. I'm like, oh, hey, what's up, Mr. Doltz? So I went to shake his hand.
Shout out to Mr. Doltz.
Shout out to Mr. Doltz. And I hear, ba-bam! And I looked down the floor, and my freaking phone it bounced, and it turned over, and it shattered. And then all Doltz had to say is, hope you don't drop the ball at the big playoff game today.
Oh, wow.
I played baseball. And
Fool should have played. Fool, adults, whatever. Fool should have paid for your phone, man.
Nah,